Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dazzles and Sizzles. In today's video, we'll be talking about the anatomy of a chef's knife. The chef knife is such that it's capable of tackling just about any task you throw at it. So if you were allowed only one knife in the kitchen, this would definitely be it. So when it comes to cooking like a pro, it is important to understand all aspects of your most important tools and how it is used. So let's get right into it. Anatomy of a chef's knife. Now, generally, the chef knife is classified into two parts. We have the blade and the handle. The blade is the part of the knife which is used for cutting, while the handle is the part you will mostly be in contact with when it is unused. The blade includes 5 parts. We have the point, the tip, the edge, the spine, and the heel. The point. The point is the part where the spine and tip come together. It is usually sharpened to a fine point and mostly used for piercing or scoring the surface of food. The tip. This is the front part of the knife edge just beneath the point. It is the part of the blade which is usually used for delicate cutting and chopping work. The edge. The edge is the sharpened part of the blade which is usually used for cutting. The edge of your chef's knife may be sharpened on one or both sides. The sharpness of the edge is determined by how finely the edge is ground. It may be straight or serrated. The spine. The spine is the blunt edge of the blade. It is opposite to the cutting edge. The thickness of the spine gives strength to the blade. It also helps to balance the knife. You can place your hand on the spine to provide additional support when cutting. The heel. The heel is located at the rear end of the blade, at the point where the steel blade meets the start of the handle. It is ideal for chopping tough ingredients like carrots, nuts, and even bones. The bolster. This is the area between the blade and handle that meets the spine. It provides additional support for your fingers, preventing them from slipping. It also helps to reduce wrist fatigue over a long period of use. The tang. The tang is the unsharpened part of the blade which connects the blade edge to the handle. It is important for overall balance, weight stability, and strength of knife. The handle. The handle is the part of the knife you will be in contact with the most. It is the part that is grasped by the chef during use. It may be straight or designed with finger grooves that makes it easier to hold. The rivets. These are the screws which fix the handle part to the tongue. The butt. The butt is the end of the handle. So let's take it again. The kitchen knife is divided into 2 parts. We have the blade and the handle. So the blade has 5 parts. The point, the tip, the spine, the heel, and the edge. And every other part falls under the handle. So I believe this video has been helpful to you. Do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment for more amazing content. Check the description box for the link to our other videos. Bye.